Good morning, all of you. In class 12th accountancy, today we are going to start a numerical of share capital with the complete detail. All related entries we are going to include in this question, that is complete numerical, and I am going to explain you with the proper method of working note and in the tabular form. So please note down one question, that a company issued 1000. We can take the small example. 1000 shares. Please note down 1000 equity share of rupees 100 each. Note down please. 1000 equity shares of rupees 100 each. 20 on application. Application 20. Allotment 30. First call 40. Second call 10 rupees. The total will be 100. As I explained you, company can take the lump sum amount or the company can take the amount in installments in parts. They can make various parts, but the initial part of that is application of 20 rupees, allotment 30 rupees, first call 40, second call 10, here 100 rupees. Okay, company can take amount lump sum or in application and allotment, or company can take in first call also, complete amount up to first call, it depends on the company. So I am going to show you by a table. Look here, have you noted down the question? The total value of share is 100 rupees, application 20, allotment 30, first call 40 and second call 10. Total 100 rupees. And the number of shares 1000. Number of shares 1000. Now how to complete it, I will tell you. But before that, please write one shareholder, Mr. A. One shareholder, Mr. A, was unable to pay second call. So company forfeited his shares. Company forfeited his shares and reissued at rupees 90 per share. Now how to do it? Look at the board, children. See, first is due, received, advance, refund, area. Due, received, advance, refund, area. For making the calculation easy, we can make this type of table. Then the working note will be easy to understand. Calculation will also become easy. So children, look here. Now, no area on application, no allotment, no on first call, but here Mr. A, 100 shares into 10 each. That is 1000 in area. Okay, now how to calculate due amount, children? I am sure you will be able to understand by this way due amount. It's very easy. Number multiplied by this. Then you can get the due amount. 1000 into 20, that is 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, again 10,000. I'm sure you must be able to understand. Then received amount. Received is 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, and company due second call of rupees 10,000, but a shareholder of 100 shares at the rate of rupees 10 unable to pay the amount due on second call. So company put that amount in areas. So area at that time is 1,000 rupees. So my dear children, 10,000 minus 1,000, that is 9,000. So be careful. Whenever there is area, it should be subtracted from the due amount. Okay, now how to pass the general entries? Do you able to understand the table? Okay, once more. Okay, one. See, number of shares you will put here. Then steps you will put here. These are the steps. Steps. First step is due, received, advance, refund, area. These are the 6 columns. Now, application money, allotment, first column, second. Application money sent by the shareholders who are in any part of the country. So they send the application money to the company. Then company allot the shares. Then company due the first call. Then company ask for second call. You can put the areas. Areas means the persons who are unable to pay. My dear children, there are various reasons for areas. Maybe the shareholder does not know about it. Maybe he is not in the country. Maybe he is unable to pay. Various reasons. And what about these two columns? Advance. If any shareholder paid the advance amount, like anyone can pay the second call with the first call, that will be put in this column. And what about refund? See, whenever there is oversubscription, I told you, oversubscription means applications received are more than invited. Yes. So if in that case, oversubscription, if company receive more amount, they have power to refund it. They can. Otherwise, they have to pay interest on calls in advance. That's why they can refund. Okay, children? Now see, why I put 1,000 rupees in area? Because a shareholder of Mr. A is unable to pay the second call, so company put that amount in area. So area should be subtracted. See, due means company got, received means company received. So area should be subtracted from due amount. Okay. Now how to do the general entries? Look at the book. First entry. First entry. Bank account debit. Okay. Bank account debit to ES application. Application. Narration. Application. Money received. How much application money received? 20,000. 20,000. Why bank debited? Because amount received in bank call. And the step name is application. Now this application money should be transferred to ES capital account. So second general entry, that ES application which is credited now become debited. ES application account debit to ES capital account because this is the part of capital. So application money transfer. Application money transfer by 20,000. Application money transfer. Got it? I'm sure you must understood these two entries. Now what to do? Third and fourth entries. Third entry. Third entry. ES allotment account debit to ES capital account. Yes, ES allotment account debit to ES capital account. Narration allotment due. Allotment due by 30,000. Clear? Now, after third entry, there will be fourth entry. Put the line here. You will do the general entry in the format continuation. Fourth entry. This allotment will be credited now because the company due the allotment. Now the shareholders will send the money to the company. So, next entry is bank account debit to ES allotment account. Narration. Yes, whenever there is bank in the entry, you can write amount received. Or simple allotment money received because that is in the how much money received? 30,000. 30,000. Got it, children? Any doubt? Now there is no problem. Just remove one word, that is allotment, then you will be able to do all the entries. See, in fifth entry, see, I am going to tell you how to do. ES allotment. Remove that allotment word and put that first word because now the process will be same. So, what you will write? ES first call debit. 2 ES capital. Yes. ES first call debit 40,000. 40,000 first call due. Now next entry will be same. In place of allotment, you will write first call. Okay. Now there will be no change in the general entries. This is the easiest way. See, remove allotment, then first call. Two entries. Then in place of first call, you have to put second call. This is the easiest. See, first call debit to capital, now 6. Simple. Bank debit to ES first call, 40,000. I am sure you must be able to understand. See, again, please. Allotment to capital, bank to allotment. You can make the pairs, then it will be easy. Then same for first call to capital, bank to first call. Same entry you will put for second call, my dear students. Second call, same. ES, second call, debit to ES capital. Bank debit, calls in area debit to second call. Why calls in area debit? Because in this tab they have areas. Got it? Clear? Okay, I'll just read. So in seventh entry, now you will be able to understand how I am doing. Seventh entry, remove the first call. What will you write? Second call. Second call debit to capital. In place of first call, put second call. Amount also you will change from second call. That is 10,000. 8th entry. 8th entry, comma, say, bank debit to first call. Now what will you write? Bank debit to second call. And in that, see, on the step of second call, there is area. So what to do? Calls in area. Account debit to second call. 9,000 rupees received. 1,000 area. So the total second call is of rupees 10,000. And you will write amount received on second call. So these are the entries up to second call. These are the common entries, basic entries. I am going to explain you. Look at the board. First, application money received. So bank debit. Yes, application. Second, this application money is transferred to capital. So yes, application to yes, capital. Then third, allotment debit to yes, capital. Fourth, bank debit to allotment. Now remove the allotment, put the first call debit to capital, bank debit to first. Now, no problem, in place of first call, you will write second call to capital and then bank debit, call in area debit to second. Why we put the amount in 1,000 area? Because a shareholder is unable to pay 1,000 rupees. Now children, I am going to explain you 4 features. Okay? After completing 8 general entries, we have to do the 4 features. What is the meaning of 4 feature? In the theory I explain you, when a shareholder is unable to pay the dues, then company has power to forfeit them, to cancel them, and then company reissue these shares to third party, to another. That is termed as reissue. Okay? Now see. Yes. 9th general entry. See children, 9 general entry. Here you will write how many shares forfeited? Only those who are doing arrears, who are defaulters. So in that case, we should write in the exam also that 100 shares forfeited. Now what will be the entry? Entry is also fixed. Share, capital, account debit, two calls in arrears. Calls in arrears. The amount which you debited now will become credited. And remaining balance is share forfeiture balancing figure. Share forfeiture balancing figure. And that is 9,000 because that will be 10,000. Why 10,000? Because 100 into 100. 100 shares of 100 rupees each. Or we can have one formula also here, numbers into rupees. So you will write 100 shares. Forfeited means cancelled by the company. Then after 9th entry, the 10th entry will be for reissue. You can write this and in the exam, show the steps in a very clear way. So reissue means bank account debit, share forfeiture account debit to share capital. This entry is also fixed. Now bank account debit. Just now I told you that these shares are reissued at rupees 90. So 100 into 90 is 9,000. Share forfeiture balancing figure and share capital is going of 10,000. Okay, narration, 100 shares, reissue. 100 shares, reissue. Now last entry, that is 11th entry, fixed entry, that is fixed. Just learn it all. You know that the balance in share forfeiture account should be transferred to capital reserve account. So entry is fixed, share forfeiture account debit to capital. Narration, balance transfer. Then how to balance transfer? See here in the credit that is 9,000, in the debit that is 1,000. So balance transfer is 8,000. This is the complete numerical we can say you will have in the exam. Children, look at the board, then you will be able to understand. I gave you the question that 1,000 shares of rupees 100 each issued by the company, 20 application, 30 allotment, 40 first call, 10 second call, that is 100 rupees. But a shareholder, Mr. A, holder of 100 shares, unable to pay, second call, okay, that is the area. So we will put in the area column. Total area is 1,000 rupees. Now how to do the journal entries? Very easy. Make the two entries for one step. For application, you will pass two general entries. First entry, bank debit to application. Second entry, application debit to capital. So they combine these. Learn these two. Okay, these two entries are for application. Then these two are for allotment. Allotment due, allotment receipt. Same for first call due, first call receipt. Second call due, second call received. But there is a problem in second call. One shareholder is unable to pay the second call. So we deduct it at the time because less amount is received. So area is 1,000. Now company forfeited these shares. Share capital debit to call in area to share forfeiture account. Capital debited by number into rupees. Area we will take from that side. Forfeiture is the balancing figure. Forfeiture balancing figure. Then bank account debit, forfeiture account debit, to share capital. Same rule. 90 into 100. 1,000 is in area and area total is 10,000. Now, last entry, balance transfer. Share forfeiture account debit to capital reserve. 9,000 minus 1,000, that is 8,000 rupees. That is AS. Transfer and balance First. Last entry is balancing figure of forfeiture transferred to capital reserve, and our answer will be 8,000 rupees. Why? How we get the answer? See, credit amount is 9,000. Yeah. 9,000. Debit amount is 1,000. So credit minus debit, that is 8,000. Okay, balance transfer. I'm sure you must be able to understand that is the complete numerical. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Clear? Got it? So in the exam, that these type of questions may come in which there is some error, maybe some refund. If there is refund, then you will put the bank credited. If there is advance, you will write call in advance. Okay? So these types of entries, complete question. So for working note, you can use this table. That is the easiest way.